We all know someone who is aggressively nice. They shower you with constant favors, they bring endless gifts. It feels wonderful at first. Your brain loves it, but deep down inside, your gut is screaming. Your gut knows something is terribly wrong. Listen to that feeling. You are not dealing with a genuine, real generosity here. You are facing a highly toxic psychological strategy. It is called weaponized kindness, and it is a dangerous trap designed to lock you down completely. True kindness asks for absolutely nothing in return. It is free. Weaponized kindness is different. It is a silent ledger of debt. Every single nice thing they do for you is actually a hidden contract. They are buying you. They use these small favors to buy permanent immunity from criticism. They want to be completely untouchable. Think about this exact setup. Imagine your coworker brings you free coffee every single morning. Every single day, a hot latte sits on your desk. You think they are an absolute angel. Then, next week, they take complete credit for your hard work on a major project. They look your boss in the eye and take your praise. You get upset. You try to set a normal, healthy boundary. You say, hey, that was my project. Boom, watch what happens next. They immediately play the ultimate victim card. They look shocked. They might even cry. They throw all that past coffee right back into your face. They scream, how can you be so ungrateful after everything I did for you? I buy you coffee every day. Suddenly, you look like the bad guy. You are drowning in deep, heavy guilt. You feel like garbage. You end up apologizing to them. Let me give you another example because this happens at home too. Think about that one overbearing family member. They constantly show up at your house uninvited. They clean your kitchen. They buy groceries for your fridge. They do your laundry without you asking. It looks like pure love, but it is a trap. Later that month, they make a cruel comment about your parenting, your weight, or your spouse. You tell them to stop. You tell them it hurts. What do? They instantly explode with anger. They yell about the clean kitchen. They scream about the free groceries. They say you are a horrible, heartless child. They use their unprompted labor to buy the right to disrespect you inside your own home. If you accept the gift, you accept the abuse. That is the hidden rule of this game. This is the dark truth about the friendly weapon. It is highly sophisticated emotional hostage taking. It is a trap by making you feel constantly indebted. They completely paralyze your ability to say no. They own you. They use sweet words to slowly erode your personal independence until you have nothing left. It is a cold control mechanism disguised as a warm, loving hug. It is psychological warfare with a smiling face. They make you a prisoner inside a cage built of favors. Do not panic. You can break this spell today. You can disarm this friendly weapon easily with one simple, powerful phrase. The next time they offer an overwhelming, unprompted favor, look them dead in the eye, do not blink. Say firmly, that is incredibly kind, but I have this completely covered. Reject the favor early. Do not take the coffee. Do not take the free ride. Do not let them clean your house. Stop the debt ledger from growing right at the start. Cut the strings before they tie you up. True peace requires setting firm, unshakable boundaries. You must protect your personal space with maximum force. You must guard your life, even against people bearing beautiful gifts. If they get angry because you said no to a gift, they never cared about your happiness. They only cared about your control. Now your brain is probably buzzing like crazy right now. You are sitting there thinking about your friends. You are thinking about your family. You are counting all the favors you accepted this past week. Your mind feels completely unfinished, unsettled, and highly uncomfortable. You want answers immediately. There is a specific scientific reason for this exact anxious feeling in your chest right now. Your brain physically hates loops that are open left. It cannot stand it. It demands closure. Click on this next video immediately to understand why your brain physically hates unfinished tasks. Master your mind before someone else tries to control control it for you. Click now.